Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Coder Man, Matt, thank you. This is the 2016 Porsche Cayman GT4. Obviously based on the 981 Gen, the pinnacle of this generation of Cayman. Valvetronic exhaust, currently off right now. Yeah, you can hear the valve switching over. We'll leave it on open. Karma buckets, that hurt. What I do, I put the buckets all the way back, then move forward. All right. Ooh, a little chilly. There's that guards red. Oh, guards red interior accents, everything. This is a spec. Oh, what a fantastic sound. Of course, you can activate active rev matching. Right now I'm doing it myself, that's why it's kind of not the best. I've just driven this thing for like 20 minutes, I'll say. Put it in sport. It does it perfectly. But it's a little bit more fun to do it yourself. Also, Porsche brakes. Race brakes, and they are they actually made a video about, yes, our brakes squeak, deal with it. It's like, you know, with these brakes, these are the non-carbon ceramics. They're like, listen, you want performance from your brakes, they gotta squeak. Oh my goodness, what a sound. What a machine. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, what a machine. And then you want to cruise quietly. Close the Valvetronic exhaust. You're good to go. Alright, so I'll give it a little bit of load in 6 and you'll hear the switch over. I like Valvetronic. Now this is the computer downshifting. The emotional feel. Oh, my first time really getting to romp on a GT4. I'm gonna close those. Actually, I'm gonna open them. There's less drone with them open. That's weird. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Coderman. This is a car. This is a good car. This is a really good car. There's actually a good amount of torque down low. 6 gear, what are we, 75, cruising at 3,000 RPM. So definitely short gearing, but you have to remember this thing redlines just shy of 8,000 RPM. So you got plenty of RPM to work with. And this 3.8, man. Oh, this motor is straight out of the Carrera S. Ah, Matt. Oh, why did you do this, Matt? Why did you do this? I just ordered a new car and now I want a different one. This is why I'm a Porsche-phile. That's the term. Can you do second this high? Oh, man. Alright, now that we're going to be entering some traffic, I'll go ahead and wrap this thing up. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Matt, Coderman, yeah, you got a car. You got a car and a half, man. The 981 GT4 is a riot. Which do I like more, the 718 GT4 or this? That is, I I think I would buy one of these over a 718. I don't know. I have to drive another 718. I'd have to drive another 718 to really tell. But they're both phenomenal cars. But for the money, I personally like the interior of the 981. I'm a huge fan of the 981. If I had the money, I'd buy one of these right here, right now. Either way you look at it, you're getting a phenomenal car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much to Coder Man for allowing me to take out his GT4. And I'll see you all in the next one.